Driving a car in snowy weather, especially for the first time, may require a bit more attention. However, this is a necessary step to take for a beautiful journey. When you learn to drive a car in snowy weather, you will be able to continue on the road safely and with less worry. Therefore, learning to drive a car in snowy weather will be beneficial for both you and your journey. Let's get started. It is very important to check your vehicle before driving in snowy weather. Make sure to check the functionality of your road grip systems, tires, lights, and parts under the hood. Road grip systems help keep your vehicle stable on snowy and icy roads. If your road grip systems are damaged or absent, your vehicle is more prone to skidding and losing control on snowy roads. Also check the pressure of your tires. Low tire pressure can compromise your vehicle's road grip and cause it to skid on snowy roads. Check the functionality of your lights as well. Keep your lights on at night and in snowy weather, but avoid using high beams continuously to avoid blinding other drivers. Finally, check the functionality of the parts under the hood. In particular, in snowy and icy weather, it is important that these parts ensure that your vehicle functions properly. To maintain good visibility on the road, use your lights effectively. Keep your lights on at night and in snowy weather, but avoid using high beams continuously to avoid blinding other drivers. It is important to use your lights properly in order to see the road clearly and to make your vehicle visible to other drivers. However, it is also important to be considerate of other drivers and not use your high beams excessively, as this can cause discomfort or accidents. In snowy weather, it is important to drive slowly and carefully. To avoid skidding on the sides of the road, consider driving in the middle of the lane. Sudden braking can cause your vehicle to skid, so it is important to avoid it. Using high gears can also help reduce your vehicle's friction rate and improve its stability on the road. It is important to drive with caution in snowy weather to ensure the safety of yourself and other drivers. If your vehicle starts to skid, try steering naturally and do not touch the accelerator. Skidding occurs when your tires lose traction with the road and can be caused by factors such as slippery road conditions, overbraking, or turning too sharply. When your vehicle starts to skid, it is important to remain calm and not make any sudden movements. Sudden movements, such as braking or turning sharply, may cause your vehicle to skid further. Instead, try to steer naturally and let the vehicle come to a stop on its own. This method may be particularly effective for vehicles with road grip systems. It is important to regain control of your vehicle as soon as possible to avoid accidents. If your vehicle continues to skid on a snowy road, use the front tires to steer your vehicle properly. This method may be particularly effective for vehicles with road grip systems. When traveling in snowy weather, it is important to have enough food, drinks, and clothing in your vehicle. This will ensure that you are prepared in case of any unexpected delays or emergencies. It is also a good idea to wear plenty of layers if you are not sure if your vehicle is adequately heated. Wearing layers will help you stay warm and comfortable during your journey. It is important to be prepared and comfortable when traveling in snowy weather, as it can be unpredictable and potentially hazardous. When driving in snowy weather, it is important not to open your vehicle's hood. Opening the hood can cause heat loss inside your vehicle, which can make it more difficult to stay warm and comfortable. In addition, opening the hood can also cool down your vehicle's engine. It is important to keep the engine warm in order to ensure that it functions properly. A cold engine can be difficult to start and may not perform as well as a warm engine. Therefore, it is best to avoid opening the hood while driving in snowy weather. It is important to ensure that your vehicle's tires have sufficient pressure when driving in snowy weather. Tire pressure plays a crucial role in the performance of your vehicle's tires. If the tire pressure is too low, It can affect the tire's ability to grip the road and can increase the risk of skidding on slippery surfaces such as snow and ice. In order to ensure safe driving in snowy weather, it is important to check the tire pressure regularly and maintain it at the recommended level. This will help your tires perform at their best and improve the stability of your vehicle on the road. In snowy weather, it is important to ensure that your vehicle's brakes are functioning properly. Brake performance can be affected by factors such as the temperature of the brakes and the presence of ice or snow on the brake components. If the brakes are not warm enough, they may not perform as well as they should, which can compromise your driving safety. Similarly, if there is ice or snow on the brakes, it can interfere with their performance and make it more difficult to stop your vehicle. To ensure safe driving in snowy weather, it is important to check your brakes regularly and clear any ice or snow from the brake components before driving. It is important to remain calm if you lose control of your vehicle while driving in snowy weather. Losing control of your vehicle can be a stressful and potentially dangerous situation, but panicking will only make matters worse. If you find yourself in this situation, try to pull slowly to the side of the road and wait for the skid to stop. Do not make any sudden movements or try to overcorrect, as this may cause your vehicle to skid further or even flip. Instead, try to steer naturally and allow your vehicle to come to a stop on its own. It is important to remain calm and take measured actions to regain control of your vehicle in order to avoid accidents. We hope these tips have been helpful in keeping you safe on the road during snowy weather. Remember to check your vehicle before you start your journey, use your headlights effectively, drive slowly and cautiously, and remain calm if you lose control of your vehicle. Following these guidelines will help ensure a safe and comfortable drive in snowy conditions. Stay safe and drive carefully.